Today we're going to do an introduction to sociology. This is chapter 1, section 1, an invitation to sociology. First thing we're going to talk about is the sociological perspective. In order to talk about sociological perspective, we have to first define perspective, a particular point of view. Everybody has their own perspective based on their own life, where they grew up, who they're surrounded by. An example of this perspective is that babies are usually brighter and better looking to their parents than to others. Oftentimes, newlyweds think that their spouses are more attractive than other people do as well. Sociology is the scientific study of social structure. Social structure is the pattern interaction of people in social relationships. Over here you can see this is an ancient social structure based in Egypt, where it talks about the authority as the pharaoh, and then it goes through each step of lower and lower say and responsibility. The sociological perspective is a view that looks at behavior of groups, not individuals. So we're looking more for trends and patterns within a society than we are looking at the individual. This class focuses on why groups do certain things and less on why an individual decides to do something. The sociological perspective was developed by Emil Durkheim, and he says people's behavior within a group cannot be predicted from their personal characteristics. Basically saying that you shed all of your own personal responsibility and you as a person when you join a group. Group behavior versus individual behavior. People's behavior within a group setting cannot be predicted from their personal characteristics. An example of this is fans at a football game. Oftentimes we see fans doing things that they otherwise would not do by themselves, but do these things because they are in a group, and this is what the group is doing. My example here is the Auburn Tigers winning the Iron Bowl and the fans rushing the field. Why do people conform? All groups encourage conformity. Members of a group think, feel, and behave in similar ways. A group can be something as small as a family or as big as a country. Sociological imagination. C. Wright Mills coined this term, saying sociological imagination is the ability of individuals to see the relationship between events in their personal lives and the events of their society. This is the idea that you understand what's going on, and this is how you choose to address it. You can see yourself as part of the bigger picture and less as just an individual. Understanding sociology can help us make our own decisions and to not give in to peer pressure and conformity.